Let's get you the power of control in the palm of your hand with the SmartHub mobile app. To get started on your mobile device, open your App Store. In your App Store, search SmartHub, locate it and install it on your mobile device. Once installed, open it up. Next, tap the button that allows you to find us by name. Enter the name Heart of Texas in the search bar. Next, tap on our name in the results. Touch the confirm button in the lower right corner. Once done, you'll now register your account. Make sure you have your account number handy. From the login screen, select Don't Have an Account. Register now. You'll need the following information to get started. Tap the Continue button when you're done. Answer all of the security questions, then tap the Register button. We'll send you an email to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be asked to set a new password twice, and then tap the Save button. Read and accept our terms and conditions. Next, select whether or not you want a paper bill or go paperless. Welcome to the SmartHub mobile app. Account management at your fingertips.